हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज डॉक्टर मनीष राउत और आज मैंने आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट किया है। तो इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट SN1 रिएक्शन, SN2 रिएक्शन, SNE1 type of reaction and E2 type of reaction. Okay, we'll have some basic idea about how to select SN1, SN2, E1 and E2 type of reaction. Let us see the question. In question, what is that? Given is list 1 and list 2. In list 1, there are some reactions are there, and list 2, there are some major product. We need to match the pair. We need to predict for each corresponding reaction what will be the major product. So let us check what about this reaction or basics of these reactions first. In SN1 reaction, SN1 reaction is a two-step reaction. टू-स्टेप रिएक्शन में क्या होता है? फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द कार्बोकैटायन, सेकंड स्टेप में न्यूक्लियोफाइल का अटैक होगा. ओके, एंड so substituted product will be there. While in E1 reaction also a two-step type of reaction. Here also formation of the carbocation is the first step, and then instead of nucleophile here attack of base will be there. In both of these reaction, first step is the rate determining step. ये RDS हो जाएगी first step. While in SN2 reaction, it is a one step reaction. Here there will be a attack of nucleophile. At the same time there is a elimination of the living group. While E2 reaction में भी क्या होगा? इट इज ऑल्सो वन स्टेप रिएक्शन. ये भी एक स्टेप वाली रिएक्शन है जिसमें बेस पहले अटैक करेगा और इमीडिएटली लिविंग ग्रुप एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर, अल्काइल ग्रुप की रिएक्टिविटी अगर देखते हैं तो SN1 में कार्बोकैटायन फॉर्मेशन होता है. जैसे ही कार्बोकैटायन होगा, टर्शरी, सेकेंडरी, प्राइमरी, मिथाइल, दिस इज द जनरल रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर. Here also tertiary, secondary and primary. This one will be a general reactivity order. मैंने यहाँ पे मिथाइल ग्रुप नहीं लिखा है क्योंकि मिथाइल एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन नहीं देगा. Okay. Now in SN2 type of reaction, here steric crowding is the important factor. Therefore primary is the और मिथाइल, इससे पहले भी प्राइमरी से पहले भी मिथाइल ग्रुप हमारा सबसे ज्यादा रिएक्टिव होगा. इसके बाद प्राइमरी का अल्काइल ग्रुप, सेकेंडरी अल्काइल ग्रुप एंड फाइनली टर्शरी अल्काइल ग्रुप. टर्शरी अल्काइल ग्रुप्स will never prefer SN2 type of reaction. Methyl groups will never prefer SN1 type of reaction. While E2 reaction also don't look at the stability, don't look at the carbocation stability or don't look at the steric region. So there is another transition state region here. And reactivity order, remember the reactivity order: tertiary, secondary and primary only. Okay, so except SN2 reaction, all these reactions will have reactivity order tertiary, secondary, primary, like that. Okay, what are the another requirement for this one? Another requirement is for SN1 or nucleophilic substitution, टू स्टेप रिएक्शन है. न्यूक्लियोफाइल सेकंड स्टेप में आता है, रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप होने के बाद आता है. देयरफॉर हियर वीकर न्यूक्लियोफाइल विल प्रेफर दिस रिएक्शन, दिस काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन. व्हाइल न्यूक्लियोफाइल इज प्लेइंग अ इंपॉर्टेंट रोल हियर बिकॉज इट इज coming in the first step, it is only one step reaction, therefore that is only rate determining step. Therefore here it is required a strong nucleophile. यहाँ पे strong nucleophile हमें लगेगा. While E1 reaction, again a similar reason. Here base is coming in a second step after the determining step. Again weaker bases will prefer E1 type of reaction, while E2 reactions are preferred by strong bases. तो strong base हमें लगेगा E2 reaction के लिए. So these are some basics about SN1, SN2, E1 and E2 reaction. Let us start one by one. First, reaction number P is given. In reaction P, sodium tertiary butoxide is treated with tertiary butyl bromide. We need to predict what kind of product will be there. It is a tertiary butyl bromide is there. tertiary butoxide, sodium tertiary butoxide is there. सोडियम टर्शरी ब्यूटॉक्साइड इज ए वेरी स्ट्रांग, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज है, वी कैन से इट इज ए स्ट्रांग रिएजेंट, इट कैन एक्ट एज ए बेस और इट कैन एक्ट एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल, बट इट इज ए स्ट्रॉन्गर रिएजेंट. यहाँ पे ये है टर्शरी RX is given to us. Tertiary RX can prefer, if you are looking at the reactivities, SN1 reaction can be preferred, E1 reaction can be preferred, E2 reaction can be preferred, except SN2 all reactions are preferred. But as we said, strong nucleophile or strong base, strong nucleophile will prefer SN2 type of reaction, strong base will prefer E2 type of reaction. देखो, if you are looking at SN2 will not be preferred by tertiary, so SN2 की possibility गई यहाँ पे. While strong base will not prefer SN1 or E1 type of reaction. So both are very much in agreement that E2 reaction will be preferred. So yes, the major product or major reaction will be E2 type of reaction. What will happen in this reaction? यहाँ पे tertiary butoxide, sodium tertiary butoxide will act as a base, and here this is the leaving group. Br is a very good leaving group. Br यहाँ से eliminate हो जाएगा and base will abstract the beta hydrogen, अल्फा कार्बन बीटा कार्बन को अटैच्ड होने वाला हाइड्रोजन. तो ये OH यहाँ पे जाएगा, डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन जाएगा और ये निकल जाएगा. सो फॉर दिस रिएक्शन प्रोडक्ट्स आर, हमें प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे. First one, this is abstracting the hydrogen, so here it will convert into OH, plus here there is a formation or elimination type of reaction. So yes, these are the product for this reaction. So for P product, looking at the list, two options are first one and fourth one. So product for P1 and 4 option is correct. Product P1 and 4, 1 and 4. So answer, so looking at the options directly you can say यही पे हमारा क्वेश्चन खत्म हो सकता है. बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप द डिस्कशन हियर, वी विल जस्ट चेक अबाउट ऑल द options whether they are correct or not. So we'll discuss the one by one all the reactions. So in the next reaction, reaction number Q, so tertiary butyl methyl ether is given and HBr is the reagent. This is the ether is treated with HBr. So while in this reaction, first step is the attack of nucleophile. This one will act as a nucleophile, will attack over H plus, or it will abstract the hydrogen from the acid, and first it will convert into and then OH, and here there will be a positive charge. Now whenever this compound is formed, there are two possibilities. One possibility is that whatever the Br minus is there, that Br minus directly attack over SCH3 and remove this OH. This is a leaving group. It is a primary, yes, this kind of reaction is possible. Or there is another possibility in the, this is the first possibility I will say, and this is the second possibility. There is a elimination of the leaving group in the first step, and there is a formation of the carbocation, and product is CH3OH. Eventually उसके बाद यहाँ पे Br माइनस अटैक करेगा और आपको टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा. Whenever this kind of question is there, when ether is treated with HBr acid, in that case first check for the primary, what are the groups attached to the oxygen atom. Tertiary group is there, there is a scope for the formation of the stable carbocation. It is a stable, or it is a preferred reaction as compared to, this is the SN2 type of reaction, while this is the SN1 type of reaction, because there is a formation of the carbocation. So in Q, SN1 type of reaction is preferred. So the major product of Q reaction will be tertiary butyl bromide and methanol. Let us check the options in list 1. Only methyl tertiary butyl bromide is given. So for Q, 2 product is there. Yes, for 2, Q product is correct one. Okay, now let us check the next type of reaction. Next reaction is nothing but reaction number R. In the reaction R, tertiary butyl bromide is treated with NaOH Yummy मतलब NaOCH3 sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide can be acting as a OMe O-, so it is a strong base, नहीं तो strong nucleophile it can act. Strong base or strong nucleophile will prefer SN2 reaction or E2 type of reaction. Again tertiary Rx is given. Tertiary Rx will never prefer SN2 type of reaction, कभी नहीं देगा. So directly we can say SN2 की possibility खत्म होती है तो बचती है खाली E2 की possibility. Yes, it can give the E2 reaction. Except SN2 reaction or reaction can be shown by the tertiary Rx. Here strong reagent is used, so preferred reaction is the E2 reaction. Again in this reaction, this beta hydrogen will be taken by OCH3 minus and elimination of Br minus. So product will be alkene plus CH3 OH group और NaBr भी side product होगा NaBr. So the correct option for this one is alkene, which is given in option number 4. For R, 4 is the correct option. Okay, so in the next reaction, reaction number S, sodium tertiary butoxide. So it is a strong base or nucleophile is given, which is treated with primary Rx. Primary Rx is given. So primary Rx generally, as we said, primary Rx or methyl group is there. It will prefer SN2 type of reaction only. No other reaction is preferred by primary. So what will happen? This one will behave as a nucleophile. ये negative charge methyl group पे attack करेगा, Br को निकाल देगा. So there is a formation of OCH3. The last reaction is the example of Williamson's ether synthesis. So there is a formation of ether product. Let us check is given there or not. Yes, it is given at option number 3. Yes, option number 3. So yes के लिए 3 option or third product is possible. Therefore, for this question, option B is the correct option. Thank you very much.